In today's video, I'm going to teach you Klarna app, how to use a ghost card, 5 minutes. If you've heard the term ghost card in Klarna, what you're really looking for is a one-time card. It's a virtual Visa card that Klarna generates for a single purchase. You use it like any other card at checkout, but Klarna splits the payment according to your plan. It's great for stores that don't have Klarna as a direct checkout option. Start by opening the Klarna app and head to either the Home or Search tab. Use the search bar to find the store where you want to shop. When the store's site opens inside the Klarna app, you'll see a pink Pay with Klarna button at the bottom. Tap that to begin setting up the one-time card. If you prefer, you can also start from the Home or Wallet tab by tapping One-Time Card directly. Both paths take you to the same card setup. Next, enter the total amount you expect to spend. Be sure to include taxes, shipping, and any promo codes you plan to apply. It's important that this total fits within your estimated Klarna spending limit. If you go over, the card won't be approved. A quick tip, if your cart changes later, you might need to adjust the amount or create a new card, so try to finalize your cart first. Klarna will then show you a breakdown of your payment plan. Review the installment schedule, due dates, and any fees so you know exactly what to expect. When everything looks right, confirm to generate the card. You'll now see a virtual Visa with a 16-digit number, an expiry date, and a CVV. Treat this like any card and don't share it. Keep the Klarna app open or switch back to it to copy the details as needed. Go to the store's checkout either as a guest or logged in user. When you're asked for payment, choose credit or debit card. Copy and paste the card number, expiry, and CVV from Klarna into the store's payment fields. Make sure the billing information matches what Klarna expects in your region. Minor mismatches can cause declines. Finish the order on the store's website. The one-time card is now tied to that purchase and cannot be reused. You can track the order and manage your installments in the Klarna app under your payments. If you don't end up using the card, it will expire automatically. That's it. Safe, simple, and perfect for spreading payments even at stores that don't offer Klarna at checkout.